sodium polyacrylate,
water, a container. We're using a beaker.
So guys, sodium polyacrylate is found in diapers, which absorbs the pee from babies.
Also, sodium polyacrylate expands 100 times more than its original volume when water touches it. To start the experiment, first we're going to put our 2.5 tablespoons of sodium polyacrylate inside of our container, which is a beaker. So, and then we're going to put our water in fast, very fast. So now we're going to start. So let's put on our goggles.
Let's go.
Okay.
I can't get it. Okay, go.
Okay, let's pour it in.
Yeah? Okay. Pretty quick.
Oh, got it. Oh,
look at this instant snow.
slow!
Slow!
Slow! Look at this snow. It's like snow everywhere. Slow, this is so cool.
I'm gonna get some more. I'm slow.
Slow. It's like real snow. It's very cold.
Yep, it's really cold. I'm gonna pull up my sleeves. Yep.
Slow.
Snow! I can make a snow angel with my hands.
Slow.
Guys, this is really cool. It's
Slow.
really cold and like, but it's
Slow.
fake. And I can't believe this is actually happening right now.
Whoa, it's a lot of snow.
Yep.
Slow. Catchers. Whoa, this is so cool.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when we post